Here we are again. We got the passenger front seat. Power seat out of, I believe it's a 1617 E550 cabrio. Some cars are sitting right over here. As usual, the cable for the power seat, back and forth, they break. Very cheap design. This is one side of it. Gonna strip it down and change the whole seat bottom, because you know Mercedes doesn't sell just a power motor. So hope to get more of it. Got some pneumatics here also. All right. Here we go. We got the seat bottom off. Next up, we're gonna remove these side covers. This back piece and the harness all comes together. These modules will be separated and added to the new seat bottom. Stay tuned. Okay, we got her stripped down. Next part here is these guys on each side. Remove this top piece, this backrest, and slide in this bottom piece here. And that's it. Here's a new guy. We're going to attach the backrest back to the bottom and get it all back together. Stay tuned. Here we are, all done. Just go through, make sure everything is working fine. Forward. Goes back. No. And last thing, I'm just gonna test these pneumatics over here. Oh yeah, lumbar. And dynamic seats. Perfect. That's it, guys.